What's the meaning of brown nose? Brown nose. Brown nose.
Brown nose. Brown nose. The term brown nose is often used to refer to someone who is overly flattering or obsequious in order to gain favor or advantage from someone else. The resulting behavior can be seen as insincere and manipulative, with the person attempting to curry favor by flattery or other means rather than based on their own merits or abilities. This can potentially lead to resentment and a lack of trust from others, as the individual's motivations may be seen as suspect or self-serving. Ultimately, such behavior tends to be counterproductive over time, as it undermines genuine relationships and can damage one's reputation and credibility in the long run.